What's up, Dashers? I'm the Dashing Trader, and on this channel we help you maximize using gig apps like Doordash, Uber Eats, Instacart, and all the rest. And if you want to make sure you maximize your earnings, you need to make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification to make sure you don't miss none of my uploads. In today's video, we got a very important topic, and that's customer rating. And guess what? I finally figured it out, y'all. I finally cracked the code. I cracked the Doordash algorithm. So if you want to know the secret to increasing your customer rating, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because you're not going to want to miss no tips. So tip number one, you want to make sure, number one, and this is the most important tip of them all, you want to make sure that you're working in the morning times. It is proven that people are happier in the morning when they wake up, and as the day goes on, they progressively get angrier and angrier. This is a proven scientific fact. So therefore, what I need you to do is stop delivering at dinner time. Stop doing them overnight deliveries. If you're trying to increase your customer rating, first thing you need to do is start dashing at 6 o'clock a.m. The people that order coffee is the people who is most likely to give you a good customer rating. I'm telling you this right now. If you don't believe me, keep doing what you're doing. You're gonna keep getting the same results. I'm trying to tell you, look, I cracked the code. People are happy in the morning time. No matter what you do at nighttime, you will never please them, okay? They was already made up their mind before they even placed the order how they was gonna rate you, okay? So that's what you gotta understand. It ain't have nothing to do with nothing you did. When you accepted that order, you automatically accepted the rating that the last customer, that the last dasher, you know, the last taste they left in their mouth. That's you. That's what you get. So you need to understand that. So the people who order in the morning time is giving you a rating based off of the delivery that they got the previous morning. I'm trying to tell y'all, man, listen to me and I'm gonna give you game. Do deliveries in the morning time and that will increase your customer rating. Text them like, hey, ETA is 5 minutes. I've arrived. Hey, I've been waiting for 20 minutes. If you do that with the morning time people, guaranteed your customer rating will go up. I was at a 4.6. Now, it ain't my fault, but I was delivering at nighttime a lot, and I had to realize these people was angry no matter what. So guess what? I don't deliver to those people no more. Deliver in the morning time, customer rating gonna go up. Okay, well you might say, damn, trader, you know, I make all my money at nighttime, trader. How you gonna tell me not to dash at nighttime? That's when I make all my money, trader. Well, look, I'm gonna tell you this. If that's when you make your money, do what you gotta do. I don't wanna tell you to do something different that's gonna decrease your profits, but what I'm trying to tell you is if your goal is to increase your customer rating, for whatever reason you're trying to go for top dasher, you don't wanna be at risk for deactivation, this is what you gotta do. And you might say, hey trader, but you know, I can't wake up that early. But hey, you might have to change what you got going on. You might have to flip your schedule around just a little bit. Stop staying up so late playing Call of Duty and Super Smash Brothers, you know what I'm saying? And then you might better knock out 5 deliveries in the morning time. And I'm not saying go gung-ho, schedule a 10-hour shift, you know, 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is start slow, incremental steps. You know, maybe you start off waking up and just doing a couple deliveries because you need to go back home and get back to sleep. If that's what you got to do, that's what you do. You know, and then maybe you work your way up. Maybe the first week you do 5 deliveries. Maybe the second week you try to complete 10 morning deliveries. You know, you may not get it that first month. Maybe on the next month you step it up a little bit. Now you're doing about 15 deliveries during the week in the morning time. So however you got to do it, that's the recipe right there. Deliver to the morning time people because they're more likely to wake up happy, they're more likely to be happy, and you're more likely to get a good rating based off of what the last dasher did. And studies have shown people are happier in the morning time. Nighttime people are gonna give you a bad rating regardless of whatever you do. Short of you saving a cat out of a tree, you are getting whatever rating that they decided they's gonna give you before you get there. So understand. I hope this video helped. If you like this, make sure you leave me a like and a comment down below. Let me know what you think. What's your strategy for raising your customer rating? Is that something that you want to try out? If not, hey, let me know what you think is the best optimal solution to raising your customer rating. Because look, I done tried it out. Nighttime people don't give, they look, if they mad at nighttime, whatever you do is not gonna change whatever that happened in them all day. They still gonna be mad. Your customer rating is still gonna take a hit. I'll catch you in the next one.